Hello children, welcome back to your EVS class. In this video, we will study chapter 4 of standard 3rd EVS, that is Chotu's house. So let's begin with the chapter now. Children, before we begin today's session, first let us know the difference between a house and a home. When does a house become a home? Well, a house is made of walls and a roof, but a home has people with relationships showing love and care with each other. So this is the difference between a house and a home. As you can see in the picture, here you can see a house and a home. So definitely you can differentiate between a house and a home. Children, we all love stories, isn't it? So let's begin this chapter with the story of a boy. Once there was a boy named Chotu. He came to Ahmedabad, a big city, from his small village. So children, do you know where is Ahmedabad? Yes, that's true. Ahmedabad is in Gujarat. And here you can see the map of India. From the map, you can see its location. Ahmedabad is famous for its cotton textiles. He came to Ahmedabad for the first time. He wanted to earn money here and help out his parents in village. Here he saw the tall buildings and lots of vehicles everywhere. People were moving here and there in hurry, and no one had time to look at him. He was feeling lost in this crowd. Suddenly, it started raining. Everyone started to run to hide themselves under some shelters. Chotu also tried to hide himself in his old blanket. As here you can see in the picture that Chotu tried to hide himself in his old blanket. But now strong winds also started blowing with thunder and rain. People all around him began to run home. But Chotu had nowhere to go. Then only he saw a big, round pipeline there. He ran and took shelter in it. So students, you can easily see in the picture that there are some big and round pipelines. So he ran and took shelter in the pipe. Chotu soon realized that pipe would be his new shelter. He rested and slept there. You can see in the picture that he rested and slept in the pipeline. Poor people dwell in pipelines. Students, dwell means to live or stay in a place. That means sometimes poor people live in pipelines. These pipes are made home by these people who come to the big cities and don't have a proper place to live in. Now, going with the lesson. So students, as you all know, that Chotu rested and slept in the pipe. The very next morning, he took his bath, washed his clothes and hung them on a rope outside the pipe for drying. So children, in this picture, you can see that Chotu hung his clothes on a rope outside the pipe for drying. Chotu was very hungry. He collected some bricks and sticks from nearby to make his chula. As in the picture, you can see that Chotu prepared his chula, which is made up of bricks and sticks, right? Okay. He cooked something for himself and his kitchen was ready. Now, one day, Chotu saw his friend Monu, who also came to Ahmedabad from his village. He called Monu and invited him to live there in the pipe. Monu was very happy and they both started living together. Now, after a few days, with the help of a sheet of a tin and some wooden stands, they made a shade outside the pipe to sit under it. So, here you can see in the picture that both of them sat under a shade. Both of them were very happy to get a new shelter. So, how do you like the story, children? Isn't it interesting? Now, when you know the story, you can answer the questions that are given on page number 31 of your textbook. The first one being, what did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? When Chotu looked at the pipe, he thought that pipe was the safest place to live. Pipe could save him from strong wind, rain and cold. So Chotu thought that he could live in that pipe. When he came to Ahmedabad, he didn't have the house to live in. Now come to the second question. How did Chotu use the pipe? Chotu used the pipe as his home. So from the story we get to know that Chotu used the pipe as his home. Now come to the next question. So here the question says, into which parts did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? Well, Chotu divided the pipe and its surrounding area into a part used to sleep or sleeping area, a part used to cook food or the cooking area, a part for drying clothes, and a part where guests can sit or the living areas. So that is how Chotu divided the pipe and its surrounding area. Let us see what the next question says. In which part of this house will Chotu like to spend most of his time? Chotu would like to spend most of his time at the part where guests can come and sit. Here the next question says, why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? Well, Monu was new to Ahmedabad and had no place to live. So, Chotu invited him to live with him. Besides this, Chotu was living alone in the pipe. He used to get bored. Monu can talk and play with him. That is why Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe. Well, let's go on with another question. Who all live in your house with you? I am just giving you the examples. You can always write the answer according to your family members. I have given you few members over here like my grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt and cousins, as we live in a joint family. But you can write as per your family. So students, here is your home assignment. Now you have to write these answers in your EVS notebook. Now I will stop my today's teaching session over here. I will continue the rest of the chapter in the next sessions. Children, now go through the session, revise it and also finish your home assignment. Thank you.